Hi, this is Mark. Welcome to Heartbridge Hypnosis. Really briefly, what is hypnosis? And more importantly, what is it not? In terms of what it is, I've got a couple of sample sessions in the site because experiencing it and having an intellectual concept about it are two different things. So that takes care of what it is. It's a little different in an actual hypnotherapy session because it's custom and interactive for each client, but you'll get the gist of it. Inside, again, there'll be two samples, a short one and a long one. What is it not? Well, the cultural meme of hypnosis being one person controlling another person, it's not that at all when you're talking about hypnotherapy. As a matter of fact, it's the opposite of that. That sometimes can appear to be the way it is in stage hypnosis, but in hypnotherapy, the goal is to actually return flexibility, freedom, and control of your life to you, so you can live an authentic life from your heart, based on what matters to you and what's important to you, and not from patterns and things that we learned as coping mechanisms and emotional things and mental concepts that were kind of came into our field before we had the awareness and the wisdom to choose ourselves how we want to live our lives and what's important to us. So instead of being controlled, you're gaining control, and gaining control in a way that allows you a skill set and tools, and develop the observer mind that allows you to continue to do that, whether you continue seeing a therapist or hypnotherapist or anybody else. It's more of a mastery of your own internal reality, which affects the outer reality. And then the other thing that's a misconception is the word gnosis means sleep, and some people have the concept that you're unaware of the process and somehow asleep while things are happening. The opposite is true there too. You're actually in a more hyper-focused state and very aware of the process. It's just that the hyper-focused state is focusing on internal states that gives you the ability to go in with the observer part of the mind and see some of those things that are going on that we generally don't have access to, or kind of fly under the radar. And that's how we end up with the ability to create a life that is coming from an authentic place, that curious aspect of yourself, that joyful, living in the moment, alive feeling that comes from living an authentic life. That's the goal. So take a look inside at the sample sessions. I welcome feedback and comments. You can reach me by phone or email, and I look forward to seeing you in the future. Take care.